Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, if you're looking for a DIY inspiration, then keep on watching this video. We have something old that I'm turning into something glam, so let's get into it. Hi guys, so yeah, actually, I meant to say while I actually was recording the video that I actually had this table for a while. Yes, I did purchase it from a yard sale, but it definitely did not look this bad. It actually got messed up from being in storage for a while and things getting dripped on it. So yeah, that is the backstory, but we're going to make this into a $1,000,000 beauty. Not device yet. It is still en route here. So for right now, this is how I have to hook it up so it won't break it. So we're gonna start with this right here, super oxygen foaming. Now, this is a bathroom cleaner, but I use it for way more than the bathroom. I mean, it's a foaming cleaner that can be used anywhere, okay? So we're gonna start with this area right here. Now the nozzle is a little broken, so never mind. It's supposed to actually spray out a little different than that, but the nozzle is broken. I'm not sure what happened, but as long as it does what we need to do, that's fine. So sprays on blue, turns white when it's ready for you to start cleaning. Okay. So we're gonna use one of these scrubbers. I'm gonna use one of these scrubbers. Okay. And I'm going to use the abrasive side. So, yeah, let me do this and I'll bring you guys back. Okay, so this is how it looks. Just clean it off with a little soap and water. Of course, this is not coming out all the way, but it's okay because all of that's basically is going to be covered. I just wanted to give it a good clean. So I'm going to take it outside so you guys can see the full picture. And because we're going to be spray painting it outside anyway. So let's go outside. So this is how it looks here. It's fully dried. And so I'm ready to go ahead and spray paint the legs black. So I'm not going to have to spray paint the top because the top is going to be completely covered. So I'm not spray painting the top. So the only thing I'm going to be spray painting are the legs. I'm going to give them 2 coats of black. I started to do the gold, metallic gold, but I changed my mind. I'm going to do black. So let's hurry up and get it because it's like 95 degrees outside. So yeah, let me hurry up and get this done, okay? Okay, I'm gonna get something to put underneath so I won't spray paint the grass. I just forgot about that. So let me do that and then I'll bring you guys back. I have finished painting all the legs, and don't worry about the bottom because you won't see the bottom. So this is the material right here that's gonna go on the top. Okay, so this is how the material is laying flat underneath. So then we're going to go ahead and plop the table on top like this. Sorry if the angles are kind of off. I don't have a tripod, so I'm holding it with my hand. So we're going to go ahead and get it as flat as possible. And then we're just going to just go in and glue it around until we have all the sides glued in, and then we'll turn it over and show you how the tabletop looks. Okay, sorry about the weird angles, y'all. Again, I don't have a tripod for this device yet, so just bear with me. Okay, it's all about how the ending product looks, right? So bear with me. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it's coming along pretty nicely. So we're still gluing the different areas. So we use this glue right here. It's called Quick Hold. And this stuff is, ooh, it stink. Ooh, it smells absolutely horrible.
It smells like
I can't even. No, it doesn't smell. Nail polish remover smells nothing like that. This smells horrible. So try not to get it on your hands. But yeah, so we're gonna finish it up with some hot glue, and then we're gonna turn it over, and I'm gonna show you how the top looks. I'll bring you guys back to show you how I'm gonna finish off the top. Guys, this is how the tabletop looks. Y'all, I'm so proud. I've always wanted a table with a little side table with the fur, but I didn't want to pay like a whole lot of money for one, so I decided to DIY my own that I found. Like I said, I think I got this from a yard sale, and yeah, y'all saw what it looked like before. But guess what? We're not finished. Hold on, y'all. We're not finished. So this is going to serve as a backdrop for my videos. I may even have it to put a cup of tea on or something. And so a cup of tea is not going to sit properly on the surface, right? So can you hand me that glass right there? So we're going to put this glass in the middle. Okay, we're going to peel that off. We're going to put this glass, we're going to glue that in the middle, and then we're going to put the rhinestones around it to kind of add a little glam, and that's going to be our table. Okay, so let's do less talking and more action. Okay, so I've used a little hot glue, and I decided to put on the side just in case I want to use this table to take pictures for some of my items like this. As y'all can see, just doing a little bit of advertising. Yeah. So I decided to put it on the side, and so I'm gonna open. You want to open those?
Yeah, for sure.
Just tear. Yeah, just pull that whole thing. It came out. There you go.
All right, and then actually, let's just toss a couple of them in here and see how they look.
Let's do that.
Ooh, pretty.
Okay.
All right, and toss a couple of the red ones in there as well.
Oh, we got some red ones too. So
right.
just
tear it off. Yeah. Gotta use your muscles.
Gorilla.
Like a gorilla. Tell that plastic to move. Get out your way.
This?
Yeah, tear that part off first.
Tell the rhinestones they got some place to stay. What is the words? Let me hush. I don't even know the words.
Okay.
Tell that plastic to move. Get out of the way. Tell the rhinestones they gotta be somewhere that they roar like a lion. Yeah. Never mind. Let me be quiet. Let me be quiet. All right, go ahead and toss some in here.
Do little sprinkles.
All right, beautiful. All right, y'all. So we're gonna add the finishing touches, and we'll be back to show y'all how it looks. Okay, you guys, so this is just to give you an idea of how the table will be used. I think it came out beautifully. Thank you to my helpers, Kelly and G, and big ups to myself for coming up with the idea. So yeah. Yeah, this was a very inexpensive project. I think I spent less than $15 for everything, including the table. So let's get out here and let's DIY. Let's find something old and make it into something new. See you guys in the next video. Later.